Hello, and welcome to CZI and our 7 days to sell product. It's really simple how this product works. Once you click get started, you'll choose what type of ad that you want, whether it's just listed, just sold, coming soon, or a price reduced ad. Then give our team 48 hours to get the graphics and the ad created for you to go live on Facebook and Instagram. We'll target people who are actually shopping for real estate and put all those leads right into your CRM. If you don't have a specific listing and you just need a one-off type of an ad, we can do that for you as well. The best part is it's only $89 for a 7-day ad, although we do have other options as well if you need that ad running for longer. Since 2007, we've been helping agents dominate their business online. So whether you need help generating more traffic to one specific listing or help with buyers, sellers, or past clients, let us know how we can help. Thanks for stopping by and welcome to CZI.